Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley with Haley Stitches, and today I am going to unbox my June Sew Sampler subscription. This is what the Sew Sampler box looks like. So this is a monthly subscription box by Fat Quarter Shop, and every month they send you some new fabric and notions. So let's see what we have today. The theme for June is Vintage Soul, and it was a little bit behind because of shipping delays, but that is okay because we have it now and I'm excited to show you guys what's inside. First thing I want to mention is on the back of this insert, there are 3 different coupons this month, so some really good coupons. That is something that I love about this box, is they always give you really generous coupons that you can use for your next order. The first thing that I pulled out is this little guide that shows us everything that's inside. So this gives us more information about each thing inside our box, and it gives us the retail price. So I will be sure to let you guys know what the cost of everything is and the name of everything. I'll also link everything in the description so you can check it out if you see anything you're interested in. So let's start first with the notions, and then we will end with the fabric and the patterns. This is the first notion that we're going to talk about today. So it is the Flamingo Stiletto Turning Tool by Flamingo Toes. So it is a really cute flamingo, and what it is it's just a turner. So you can stick this into like tubes of fabric or into your corners to make sure that they flip out nice and you get some nice corners. This is really helpful if you're making something like a pillow where the corners are a little bit hard to get to. I don't actually have one of these, so I'm excited to add it to my notion collection, so I have it the next time that I need one. This tool retails for $6.98. Next, we have these heat-resistant thimbles. So this is a 3-pack, and what it does is it protects your fingers from the iron. And I could see how this could be pretty helpful, especially if you're having a day where you're pressing a lot of seams open and things are hot. So I'm definitely excited to try this. This is my own personal viewpoint, but I do not purchase anything from this brand because I don't like the fact that they use a slur in their name, and I really think they should change it. I also kind of am disappointed that I've had 2 notions from this brand so far in my short time with the Sew Sampler. So that is just a personal opinion of mine. But since I have them, I'm definitely going to use them because I don't want to put anything to waste. So I'm just gonna open it real quick to show you guys what these actually look like. They look like this, and you can just slide it on your finger. They also have little grippies on them so it can help you grip the fabric. I think that these would be kind of useful if you were free motion quilting too, or just regular quilting on your domestic machine. It is kind of like the machine quilting gloves, but it just covers your fingers. So I might try it for that too. This product retails for $4.98. And the last notion today is this Desert Rose needle threader. So this is really cute. It's like a rose gold needle threader. I will pull it out of the package so you can see it a little bit better. So this is what it looks like up close. It's a really pretty kind of intricate needle threader. It's just kind of like your typical aluminum needle threader, and I really like the way that this looks. I think it's really cute. So I'll definitely be using it for my cross stitch projects or other sewing projects that I have coming up. In my opinion, you can never have too many needle threaders. This product retails for $4.48. Okay, now we can get into the fabric. So this month there are 2 charm packs. It's funny that I got these charm packs because I just made a blog post about how many charm packs do you need to make a quilt, or answering how many 5-inch squares do you need to make a quilt. So I'll leave that in the description. You can check it out if you are interested in that. I did the math for everybody because I was interested myself when I was trying to figure out what kind of quilt I could make with the charm packs I've been getting from this subscription box. This fabric line is called Seamstress by Laundry Basket Quilts for Andover Fabrics, and it is super cute. It's a really kind of muted, you know, it's a little bit Americana because it is red, white, and blue, but there is a little bit of green in there as well. So I'm gonna open this up so we can kind of take a look at the fabrics and see what's in there. So you can see the reds there. There's some deeper reds to the back. And then the greens and blues, some dark navy, and some lighter blue there. Really fun. It has a lot of different prints, and then a lot of low volume prints as well, kind of the whites there. There's a couple yellows in here. So a little bit of everything you get with this one. So again, the theme is vintage soul, so I can kind of see how this kind of muted florals would fall into that theme really nicely. The charm packs retail for $19.96. And next, they always give you a pattern to go with the fabric in the box. So this pattern is called Unraveled, and it is a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. So you actually can't get this one online. You have to get the box in order to get the pattern. And the finished size is a 46.5-inch square. And then this is what it looks like. So kind of a fun little quilt there. I definitely don't always do the projects in the subscription boxes just because I have a lot of other quilts and cross stitch stuff going on right now, but I do like that I can hang on to it and go back to it if I need to. So for this one, all you need are the charm packs, and then it also is going to ask you to get some extra fabric, and then of course you need your backing fabric as well. I think part of what makes me not do these projects is just because I don't have a lot of extra yardage on hand. So I think I'm wanting to invest in like a bolt of white fabric just so I can get some of these projects done and use up a lot of the fabric that I have in my stash. I think that is a big reason why I have so many pre-cuts that I'm just kind of unsure what to do with. So I think that's going to be on my wish list soon, and probably one of the next purchases that I make from Fat Quarter Shop. So again, this pattern is exclusive to the Sew Sampler box, but it does retail for $9.98. That is the value of the pattern. And lastly, we have the block of the month. So this month's block is a kind of friendship star. Let me put that up to the camera so you can see. So that is what that's gonna look like. I don't want to give you the measurements. So what this is a block of the month program with the Sew Sampler subscription. So this year's quilt is called Bright Side by Sherry McConnell. So they do have the fabric kit that you can purchase online, and I did actually purchase the fabric kit. So this is what it looks like. So this does not come with the Sew Sampler, it is an extra, but this is all the fabric that you need to complete the block of the month quilt. So you get one block a month for a whole year, and then at the end you'll have enough blocks to put together the quilt. So I did get the fabrics. I have not done a block of the month program yet, so I'm excited to catch up with the 3 blocks that I got already. You know, it was kind of like a last minute decision to purchase the kit and join in on the block of the month, but the reason why I did is because I went online and looked at the fabrics in the quilt, and they are so fun and so gorgeous. I just love them. I'm not gonna pull this all out yet, but you can see all the different colors and the fun florals. Sherry and Chelsea just do a really great job with their fabric. They always have really fun and happy fabric lines. And then it is kind of like a white background, and then the navy is for the binding. So I am really excited to get started with that. Maybe it's a little bit ambitious to add another thing to my plate, but I think that getting one block a month is a really good way to pace it out, and I think I'll be able to stay on track once I get caught up. There was also a thread pack that came with it, but I know that when I quilt this, I won't be using multiple different threads, so I did not worry about purchasing that part of it. But I really love that they have the kits available so that I don't have to shop around for my own fabric. I just love purchasing a kit where everything is there for you and you don't have to make any decisions. So that is everything that was in the June Sew Sampler box. I am expecting to get the July box pretty soon here, so I will have another one of these unboxings coming up in the next couple weeks. Let me know if you want to see more of these unboxings, if it's interesting to you or if it's kind of repetitive. I know that a couple other YouTubers do these as well, so I'm definitely not the only one doing them, and it's not really an original video idea, but I do enjoy unboxing them on camera. If you want any more information about the Sew Sampler subscription, you can check out the description below. And if you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. I'll see you all next time. Bye.